Alright guys, and welcome to today's video. So over here guys, you can see I am on the Telegram channel of the Memhash community. So over here guys, you can see they have actually talked about the end of their airdrop, and it is really close guys. So this airdrop actually initiated last year 2024 around the end of October, and right now we have actually mined this for a couple of months, like about 2 months plus right now. So right now, and they are already talking about the end of the airdrop. So this airdrop is in such a way that I have never seen it before. So right now, let's go in deeply right now. They can see they say something here that said the last Memhash block is expected to be mined on the February 3rd. Okay, so this airdrop in such a way that even if it is only one person that mined all their token, then only that one person is going to be packing out everything. And this airdrop Memhash was actually developed by just one single person without any team. But right now guys, the CEO of Telegram, which is Pavel Durov, has actually talked about this project 2 good times guys. So this has actually proven that this could be a very good airdrop, and that's why I'm actually going in with all my power. So they have actually talked about this, and they have already said that their mining is expected to end around February 3rd, though this is just their estimation because it could be a little bit off from the 3rd of February, but it is not going to be too far. So the airdrop is now being expected to end around the early of February, and right now you watching me right now have not yet started mining Memhash because it is not totally free. So actually I don't give any financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor, but if you can still find a way to actually join this Memhash airdrop, then I would strongly advise or support you to actually go in, because this is going to be a game-changing airdrop to actually drive people's attention back to Telegram airdrop again. So right now they say again, just a few weeks left to mine. Don't miss your last chance to maximize your airdrop potential. So right now guys, I'll be teaching you on this video how to mine and also how to even get a bigger allocation. So right now guys, let's now talk about it. So they say right here that once the mining phase wrap up, we will move into several new stages, with the airdrop being the main focus. So this means that after the airdrop has ended around early February, then they will start talking majorly about the airdrop. So right now, let's now go into the boat right now guys. So over here guys, this is their boat right here, and this is how simple it looks like. Ordinary person will look at this and think it is very hard, but it is not yet. It is not hard at all guys. So over here guys, you can see we have something like balance right here. So this is my balance. I've only been able to mine only 557 Memhash points right here. And remember, what you mine is actually what you are going to be given. What you mine is your allocation. There will be nothing like conversion ratio, whatever. So this is what I've mined so far, and of course this is my energy capacity right here, because you actually need energy to mine. If you were on our Telegram channel, over there we post codes that you can actually use to get more energy every single day. Like today, right now, I've already posted this code right here, which you can just use to get about 5,000 more energy. So we do this regularly and we post it every single day guys. So right now, let me take you back to the bots right here. So to start mining this Memhash, all you need to do is simply click on start mining, and once you click on start mining, your mining will be initiated. And of course, this is where you see your points. This is where you see the point that you earn on each mining phase. And of course, this is where you see the difficulty, the current difficulty. And of course, this is the number of people that are online. Just a very few people are doing this airdrop. And this is one of the reasons why you should not miss out. Because I love you guys very much. That is why I'm bringing you guys this opportunity one more time before the airdrop end. Because a lot of people out there, if you don't remind them about a certain airdrop, they will not join into it, or they won't even check the bot. Okay. Once your mining starts, you need to make sure that your wallet is connected securely. And also, when you click over here guys on task, you have some things right here which you can do in order for you to actually earn more energy that you can use to mine. So you can see right here something like share our post, like and retweet on X, post story. These are the things that you need to do to actually get more energy that you can utilize to mine even more airdrop. Okay, more airdrop points. Okay, so but when you scroll down, you are going to be seeing redeem secret code. So once you click on redeem secret code, this is where you need to input some certain code which will give you some airdrop. Let me take you to the X account. This is of course their Twitter account, and over here guys, on their Twitter account, they have just 136,000 followers right here. And because of this actually puts their airdrop in such a way that it is going to be even more profitable, because very little people are going to be gaining, and anything they share up, the little people right there are going to be getting it. Okay, so over here you can see this is the 24-hour statistics right here, and when you look over here, guys, they gave this code right here only for OG miners. I've already used this code, but I'm going to be showing you how to use it if you don't know how to use it yet. So on just 24 hours, about 9,923 block were mined, and of course the miners earn about 13 million Memhash points, and you can see this is the token that is left before the everything wraps up within February 1st. Okay, remember the date which they gave, which is February 3rd, could be even far from when the airdrop will end, because the more people that troops in, the more people that actually come into mine, the faster the airdrop will end. So if you haven't yet started mining this airdrop, this is the opportunity for you to actually do that. So over here they give you code every single day, and every day that you input this code, you actually get a more energy to mine. So right now when I copy this thing right here, when I copy this only for OG, when I copy it like this, then I will go back to my bot, then I will paste it right here real quick. Okay, so I have already gotten what I'm supposed to get from here, but I'll just show you. So once you paste it right here, do not write it, make sure you copy and paste. That's how it works. So once you paste it, you go ahead and click on done, and if you haven't claimed yet, this will load up right now immediately, and it will give you the energy amounted to this code. Okay, but I've already claimed. That's why it is saying that code already activated. So right now, let me take you back right now and show you some stuff. So when you click over here, guys, on upgrade, you have some things which you can do right here. Like this is my max energy, 41,000 max energy, and of course I can increase my energy using Telegram stars. And of course, if I want to increase my mining speed, I can go ahead and buy the turbo mode or the super mode or the nitro mode. The higher the your mining speed, the of course the faster you earn when you are mining. You can also go ahead and offline mining so that you can mine even when you are not online. This is going to help you earn even more points. Okay, but this it is actually going for about 499 stars actually. So you can also boost your share by just using Telegram star, or you can restore energy by just using Telegram star. All you do right here actually requires Telegram stars. That's why you need to interact carefully and make sure that all the decision you are taking is on your own, and that is, you are being charged of it. I am not responsible in any way. Okay, so right now, guys, this is how simple Memhash airdrop is, and I believe you are going to start mining right now if you haven't started mining yet. So when you look over here right now, you can see that I have earned something just right now that I have started mining. So it is way too easy and way too simple like this, guys. So make sure you mine as many as you can, because what you mine is what is going to be taken as your own allocation, nothing more, guys. So thank you for watching. Let me know what you think about Memhash on the comment section, and do not forget to follow our channel for more updates that will help you position very well in this crypto space. So thank you for watching. I will talk to you guys very soon.